Hello students, welcome back. Now let us see the last term, that is called latus rectum of a parabola. इसकी वैल्यू 4a के इक्वल होती है, that only we need to remember. But कैसे होती है will define and find its value here. ठीक है. So what is latus rectum? Latus rectum is the line segment which is perpendicular to the axis of parabola, passes through focus and whose end points lie on the parabola. ठीक है. So here AB is the line segment which is perpendicular to the axis of parabola, passes through focus and its end point lie on the parabola. So this line segment AB is called latus rectum of the parabola. ठीक है. So कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे? A line segment perpendicular to the axis of parabola, passes through the focus of parabola, focus and whose end points lies on the parabola is called the latus rectum of the parabola. ठीक है. A line segment perpendicular to the axis of parabola, that is, and passes through the focus F whose end points lie on the parabola is called latus rectum of parabola. So here AB is latus rectum of parabola. ठीक है. AB इस पैराबोला का लेटस रेक्टम है. नाउ इस AB की लेंथ हम कैसे पता करेंगे? तो सिंस बाय डेफिनेशन वी नो दैट the distance of any point on the parabola from focus will be same as the distance of point from a fixed line, that is directrix. So here since point A will be equidistance from F and C. Now this Fm equal to 2a, क्योंकि O is mid point of Fm, since Fm equal to क्या है 2a, as O is mid point of Fm, therefore जितनी लेंथ Fm की है सेम लेंथ विल बी AC, hence AC also equal to 2a. ठीक है. AC is also equal to 2a, but by definition of parabola, AC will be equal to AF. This implies that AF is also equal to 2a. Now AB is, since parabola is symmetrical about its axis, so AF will be equal to FB. Since parabola is symmetrical about its axis, hence क्या होगा AF equal to FB. That means hence AB equal to AF plus FB, that is 2A plus 2A equal to 4A. ठीक है. Means length of let us rectum equal to